I am about to show you AI tools that you can use to create flashcards for free. This is not a sponsored video, everything here is based on my own personal testing. The first tool is called Flashka AI. Flashka gives you 50 AI credits per day, every day to make flashcards. It supports lots of different formats as well. And then with daily 50 AI credits, it went through 5 pages of a PDF book and created 70 for flashcards for me. So if you are a type of learner that likes to start preparing for a test way in advance, then Flashka might be a good option with the daily 50 AI credit. The next tool is called Limbiks AI. It also supports a variety of different formats. On the free plan, you can upload up to 10 files a month, and each file can be up to 5 pages or slides. So it's a very good software if you want to use it a little bit closer to the test and create lots of flashcards at once. So I uploaded a 5 pages on PDF and it gave me flashcards and multiple choice questions. So we have 120 flashcards here, and we also have 120 multiple choice questions. And then the last tool is called Memrizz. Memrizz also supports a variety of different formats, and I uploaded a full PDF chapter from a book. It's 23 pages long, and it gave me a staggering 310 flashcards and over 600 multiple choice questions, all for free, all at once. If we look deeper into this, it divided this chapter into units, into over 60 units, and then per each unit it created flashcards and multiple choice questions. So once I am within one of the units, it created a nice summary here, also a mind map for me. Then I have my cards, and finally I have multiple choice questions. So Memrizz, just like Limbiks, is going to give you lots and lots of useful study materials, and you can use it a little bit closer to the test. Finally, if you found this useful, you might also want to see my videos on free AI mind mapping tools, and I'll see you in the next one.